part of the track too. Here, these guys are gonna go. Well, let's watch them. All right, here they are. There you go on your dark ride. From the last rider, it takes you up through there, and then it comes back down. This one is called the Tango.
The Oscar.
Oh no! You go around in a circle, and then each of the arms rotates, so you go upside down.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah.
Oh wow.
Hi, everybody else, all right? Hello. I'm the again.
Oh wow, now that arm is turning too.
Yep. What is that gonna do? Hi guys, the gun's automatic. You just gotta aim it
Yeah, I'll watch it
okay?
from here.
Okay, Peter's on the counter. Audience, camera, ready. Go, go, go. There you go, up, arriba, up, 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 up. Woo! Woo! What the? Winner, winner, winner! Woo! Yeah, good job, catch it, yeah! Hi guys. Silver by, let's go, let's race. Only 8 you can see. Only 8.
Congratulations!
I am the hype man. Anybody else want to race? Anybody else want to enjoy it? Coming in, guys. Coming by. Thank you. Go ahead. Make my day. Coming by. Anybody else want to race? All right.
It's the Tango.
All right. Anybody else want to race? Anybody else want to join any more players, more races? Get it, guys. Come on.
Okay, here we go.